Good.
Good noon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta. How much have we done, children? What were we doing in the last class? Yes, what were we doing?
I was absent in the last class.
You were absent in the last class. And what about others? All others were absent.
Ma'am, we have done 68 page number.
68 page number we did. Okay, very nice. Now coming on to the next page, the exercise of the next page. Refait avec les articles définis. Everybody open up your books to page number 69. Okay, what is refait? Children, now do you know when your exams will when you'll have your exam, you are going to get all the questions in French only. The question will be written in French, whatever the question will be. So please pay attention to all the questions that you come across in the book. Now, what is the meaning of refait? It's refait avec les articles définis. What does it mean? Refait is remake or redo. Redo. Now, after that, we have done it before also. Redo what? Everybody, first of all, please open your cameras. Children, who is your class teacher?
Ma'am, I am having some network issue.
Who is your class teacher?
Rasik sir.
Ma'am, the 6.
Okay. All of you have got this problem, network problem. Utkarsh Sharma and then Sushant Khare, Sukh Sehaj, Ayushi.
Network issue.
Good. Everybody, please open your cameras and sit. Okay. Sukh Sehaj, I know you don't have any network issue. Open your camera, hurry up. Now, what is the meaning of this question? Who will tell me? What is the meaning of this question? Refait avec les articles définis. What does it mean?
Sir, ma'am, can you write in chat box? Because I don't have book.
You don't have the book. Okay, so in that case, beta, you should have the PDF of this, no? I remember I've sent the PDF on the class group. Let me just check. How can you study without a PDF? One of you do this thing. Please click pictures, make a PDF and send it on the class group. Who will do this work? Right now, please make a PDF and send it on the class group.
Ma'am, of the chapter?
Beta of lesson C's. Les Amis de Caroline.
Okay, ma'am.
Jasmine, you want
Okay,
the whole
ma'am, can I?
chapter? Yes, beta, do it. Jasmine, you want the whole
Okay,
chapter?
ma'am. Ma'am, can I leave the meeting?
Why you have to leave the meeting?
Ma'am, I have to make the PDF. That's why I have to. That's why.
No, don't leave the meeting. Why can't you be in the meeting and
Ma'am,
make
how
it?
can I
Sukh
make
Sahaj,
it?
can you make it, beta? Anyone who can be in the class and send the work.
Ma'am, what?
Yes, Sukh Sahaj, will you be able to make a PDF and send it?
Ma'am, I can make.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, I can make
Yes.
it.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what we have to do?
Ma'am, can I switch off my camera? Then I can make. Ma'am,
Yes.
can I switch off my camera? Then I can make.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay,
The
ma'am.
camera will certainly be off, but you don't have to leave the meeting for that. Okay, now what is this question? Remake with the definite articles. Now there are certain words given in this table. Before them, before these words, indefinite articles have been placed. Now what they say, the question says us to remake or redo with the definite articles, right? Now everybody start doing this exercise in the book. Ayushi Sharma, Jasmine Kaur, Utkarsh, Hamad, all of you start doing the work right now. Ayushi, you have your book?
No,
Ma'am.
ma'am.
Even you don't have book.
Ma'am,
Children, where is your last year's book? This is the book that we are continuing from last year. Where is this book gone?
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I have. Ma'am, we use this for things.
We use they before any noun that is masculine or feminine, but it should be plural. We use they before plural nouns. Now, when do we use they? Like suppose I just say I love apples. Okay? I have pens. I have books. So when I talk about something that is indefinite, I'm not talking about any certain or any specific quantity or any number. I'm just talking in general. Like when something is not specified, the number is not specified, then we use this article. But suppose I say I have the book of French. Now for the, I don't put des, I put les. I have the books of French. Now, which books? I'm talking about some particular books, right? In that case, we use les. Otherwise, when something is not specified, we are talking about something indefinite, we use des in the plural form. Clear? Hamad, why are you moving so much? Just keep your phone at a place. Set your phone at a place and sit straight. Free your hands, beta, and concentrate on the book. Clear? Now it's clear where we use des? Yes or no? I don't get response. बेटा क्लियर नहीं हुआ तो बताओ, मैं दोबारा बताऊंगी. क्लियर हुआ या नहीं हुआ?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
To everyone it is clear. Okay. Now see.
Ma'am, is my voice?
Your voice is breaking a lot. Your voice is breaking too much. Now see, let's come on to this table.
Now.
Let me see if we have received the PDF or not. Excuse me. This is 7th A, right?
Ma'am, I will send the PDF, but what we have to uh send?
What?
Ma'am,
Beta,
what we have to send in the PDF?
Beta, you see, you have your book, you have to do exercises given on page number 69. Till 68 page we have completed. Okay? You have to do from page number 69. Those who do not have the book, for them I have asked for the PDF. Now we have the PDF
Ma'am,
on
I
the...
have sent it on the group.
Yes, thank you so much. Now we have the PDF on the class group. Please start doing this exercise in your French copies. Okay, what you have to do, you have to write these nouns with the definite articles. Clear? With the correct form of definite articles. These nouns have been given with indefinite articles before them. Now you have to write them, you have to remake them with definite articles. Hurry up and start doing. Now suppose they have given, see for example, what they have given. They have given two examples. Anom, anom. Anom means one man, a man. Now a man changes to long, because we never write l and om together. What do? We write L apostrophe and then HOMME. H is treated, alphabet H is treated as a vowel in French. And before vowels, how do we place definite article? We place it as L apostrophe. The second example is given des garçons. Now what is des garçons? Des garçons becomes les garçons. If indefinite article is given in singular form, it has to be changed into singular form only. If it is in plural, it will be changed in the plural form of definite article. Un élève, sorry, des élèves becomes les élèves. Children, will you be able to do it at home as your homework?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure, all of you will do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Now let's
Yes,
come
ma'am.
on. Leave the fourth question. We are not doing the fourth question. Leave it. Coming on to the fifth one. Mettez la forme de l'article défini qui convient. Put the right form of definite articles. Now, what are definite articles? Tell me. What are definite articles? We have done in this chapter. The whole table is given on page number 67. Sorry, 66. What are definite articles? La, la, le, and L apostrophe. These are all definite articles. Look at page number 66. So we have to put the correct form of definite articles in these nouns. This one, do it right now because you will not be able to do it yourself. Mark these exercises to be done in the copy. Now, which definite article will come before the word shares? The first one is shares. Yes, Utkarsh Sharma, tell me. Which definite article will come, la or la? Yes, Sushant.
Ma'am, la.
Very nice. La. Why? Because shares is feminine noun. And what will come before shares with plural? The plural shares, yes.
Ma'am, lay.
Very nice. Lay.
Ma'am, les.
L-E-S. Wonderful. Okay, Ayushi Sharma. What will come before muse? Muse. Tell me, Ayushi, unmute yourself.
May I?
Yes, tell.
Ma'am, la.
What, la or la?
Ah.
Speak it clearly, beta. It's la or la?
Ma'am, la.
No, wrong. It's la. Before muse, we put la. Muse is masculine noun. Then the next one, third one, corbeille. What is corbeille? Corbeille is a basket. It will have la or la before it. Yes, Sushant?
Ma'am, la.
La. It's la. L-A, la. Then horloge. What will come before horloge? Yes. Yes, Sushant.
Ma'am, la or lodge.
Anybody else who can answer this question correctly?
Ma'am, I am saying that, that one L apostrophe
Yes.
horloge.
Very nice. So it's L apostrophe. Then it becomes l'horloge. What it becomes? L'horloge. Okay. After that, we have élève. And what will come in the plural form of horloge? Yes. Yes, tell in the plural form of horloge. What will come? Yes, Sushant, tell.
Ma'am, lay. L-E-S.
Very good. And what do we read it? We read it as les horloges. Is that clear, Ayushi? Yes. Children, why are you not giving any response? I can't see. All of you are like silent in the class. Only one child is taking interest. What is wrong? Okay, then next. Élève. Ayushi will tell which form of definite article will come. Ayushi.
Ma'am, please say it again.
Look into the PDF. On the 5th number, it's given élève. So which definite article will come before élève? Yes?
L-E-S, least.
Beta, that will come in the plural form, no? Les is placed before plural nouns. Before singular noun élève, Which definite article will come? Kunjal Verma, can you tell?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell.
Ma'am, la.
La or la or L apostrophe? Just think and tell. I told you before, vowels. Any word that is starting with a vowel. If we have to place definite article, what do we place? How do we place?
Ma'am, we place le or la, and le is for masculine and la is for feminine.
Okay, so here LF is starting with alphabet E. So what we will put before it? We will put LE or LA or L apostrophe.
La.
Okay, Ayushi, according to you, what we should put? All right, Sushant.
Ma'am, L apostrophe.
Yes, it will be L apostrophe beta because E is a vowel. Vowel से जो भी noun start होते हैं, if we are supposed to put definite article ल ला ले अगर उसके आगे लगाना होता है, तो before nouns we always put L apostrophe. If it is in singular form, अगर plural में होता है, then we have to put les. But if it is in singular form, we always put L apostrophe before vowels. Is that clear? Then next, the next is uazo. Uazo is a bird. Now, Kunjal, tell me what we'll place before uazo. Yes, what will
Ma'am.
place?
Ma'am, what is the first letter of this word?
Uazo. O. O is the first letter. You don't have the book, beta.
Ma'am, I have.
It's uazo. O-I-S-E-A-U. So which definite article are we going to put before it?
L apostrophe.
Very nice. And in the plural form, what we will write? See, in the plural form, it's written O-I-S-E-A-U-X. So which form of definite article will come before that?
Les.
Very nice. Les. So it becomes luazo and lezuazo.
Excuse me,
Okay?
ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, please tell the second one. I was not able to hear.
Okay.
Ma'am, please tell the
Music.
second one.
The second one is muse. Muse is masculine noun. So we have le muse, L-E, le muse and le muse. In plural form, we need not worry. If whether it's masculine or it's feminine or it's a vowel, in all three cases, we have to put les only. Okay, in the plural form. Then the next one, listen and complete the following. Okay, so we need not listen to anything. We can just complete it on our own by putting our own assumptions. The first one is, example is, say Tanish. Say Tanish means this is Anish. Il a 10 ans. He is 10 years old. Now see, according to the name, Anish. Anish is Indian name, right? So they have written Il est Indien. He is Indian. And the last one, Il est beau. He is handsome. Now similarly, you can do the rest of the three. I'll give you 5 minutes, do it on your own and then let me know when you finish doing it. Will you be able to do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Start doing it. Children, you have to do question number 5, question number 6, and question number 1 in your copies.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, could you tell that what do we say ladybug in French?
Ladybug. Is that what you want to know?
Yes, ma'am.
Ladybug, right? B-U-G, no?
Yes, ma'am.
It's called a consinel.
Okay, ma'am.
Done it, beta? Done the work?
I'm done.
Okay. So let's just discuss what you've written. In the second dialogue, what you have written. What you have written in the second one, beta? Nobody is ready to tell. You've not done it or you don't know. C dash Caroline. So what have you written in the blank? Yes, Sushant.
Ma'am, EST.
Very nice. Say Caroline. The sentence is say Caroline. Then LA dash. Utkarsh Sharma, you have to tell what you have written. LA dash. She is dash. Now here you are supposed to put an adjective. She is dash. What is she? She is intelligent. She is beautiful. She is pretty. She is nice. She is bad. What? You've not written anything. Jasmine, have you done it?